It's what they call pumping iron.
So they say the best way to start your day is by making your bed, because then you'll be in a more productive mindset and you'll be more likely to get more stuff done. So this is day 3 of building the fence. You've already seen the privacy fence that they started on, and that's going to be more secluded and more for them, for their privacy. But then they are adding a chain link fence. It's going to start here and it's going to go all the way around pretty much the perimeter of their property, and that's going to be more for the goats to roam and more homesteading style, and they want to get chickens and more homesteading animals. So that'll be fun for them. We're really excited and we can't wait to get it finished.
So today our arms are dead from all the digging, which we already dug a bunch of other holes, but we're starting to put in chain link fence. Same process as the wood. Level it up, put some concrete, good to go.
So, but I would definitely, on these, I want a full bag of cement on the corner. Woo!
He's cute, just laying up there warming.
Woo!
So we already got 2 corner posts in for the chain link, and we're gonna get the 3rd one. This is gonna be the one that sucks because it's a lot of roots and stuff, but hopefully it'll go in pretty easy.
So after running into this clothesline about 400 times,
It's not a clothesline, it's a dog run.
Dog run.
after running into this dog run about 400 times, they're finally taking it down. Yay!
Is it any easier, Jason?
It's easier, it's just these roots.
I wonder if that drill will do it.
I don't think the drill have enough room in here to move with these roots on the sides.
No way.
You're gonna throw away that television.
The reason we're moving this slab is the fence needs to keep going and cut over. And of course, this was right in the way. Life. It's what they call pumping iron. So, we're going to attempt to move this slab. What we're doing is we're gonna jack it up with this bottle jack. We're gonna put some pipes underneath it and attempt to roll it. We know it'll work. We just don't know if it'll work with what we got. So we'll see.
Jason just told me they've had this orange tree here since they were kids. See if any of them are good and I'll taste them. He said they might be sour, but we'll see.
When you live in the country, you use the same knife to cut your food as you do your concrete bags. Juicy.
Come on, finger. Ooh. It's sour.
Sour, but good. Juicy. Check for worms. I'm just kidding.
It's like an orangey lemon.
Definitely sour. I'm good. This side's off the ground, so.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good. Let me.
You might need to get the toe strap.
I don't know if
That way it could go under pretty good.
So they got it to move, but it fell off, so. Round 2.
Moving.
Yeah, it's moving.
enough on that side.
Is it gonna clear the fence?
That side, it's like this side needs to go just a hair more now. On that side, and then on this side, and you'll be done.
On that side?
Yeah, one more because it's gonna, you need to go a little more because then when you pull this way, it's gonna bring it back. Because you gotta think about that post going in the ground.
So I need to push
One more.
this way?
Do one
Or
more
that
where you're
way?
at, and then we'll move it and it should be fine. Redneck engineering. One more. Overdid it.
That was too much?
Yeah.
It don't matter.
No, it pushed it too far. Back up just a hair, and then when you ever do it, just real slow. Real slow. Went too far. Too much. Just back up just a hair. Just a hair. I know it's harder than a standard. Leave it.
Alright.
So as you can tell, we moved it like 3 feet. And that's the homesteading way. You gotta use what you got laying around. Ford built tough.
So that
Why don't we use this good old chain? It's stiff as shit.
I was wondering where that other chain was.
so that's where you're gonna leave it, Kim?
Right on the inside.
Action.
So as you can tell, we got pickets up, rails up, poles in. We got a lot done today. Still got a lot to do, but it's coming along. My mom's finally getting some privacy up, and I think it's time for us to go eat and hopefully get some adult beverages and see what trouble we can get into. You got to stick around till tomorrow to see what we're up to. Gooby! Barely bigger than the Chihuahua. Oil. And fighting it. Woo! Nothing better after a long hard day of work, coming in and eating a whole plate of mama's home cooking.
So Jason and I went to the gas station and we picked up a lottery ticket. Let's see if we win anything. This is a judgment-free zone. Yes, I'm using a butter knife. I did not win anything. Not even the $5 I spent.
So, as some of you know, our nephew, he comes out and hangs out with us and stuff every now and again, and we haven't seen him in a while and we miss him. So I was checking out his Fortnite gameplay stuff that he does, and he's got a bunch of videos. His tag on YouTube is Adam Fry, and that's his little logo, little Grim Reaper thing. And if y'all have kids that like Fortnite and gameplay, have them subscribe. He would greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment, let him know that we send him your way. Let's get his 58 subscribers way up, guys. Thank you for watching our video today. It was a long day. I am freaking worn out, but tomorrow's a new day, and we're gonna hit it hard again. Hopefully make our parents proud.